Friends, we all know that we are getting electricity supply at either constant 110 volts or 220 volts. But do you know how scary it is when suddenly there is a voltage fluctuation or the voltage level drops down? I remember seeing it many times. Your electrical equipments can get spoiled, your refrigerator, your laptop, television, suddenly they can malfunction if the voltage is immediately goes down below 220 or 110 volts depending upon the country that you live in. And I remember having a stabilizer that would regulate the voltage just in case it goes down. Friends, our today's topic is about these two important things. One is regulation and another is constant supply of ideal voltage that we should be giving to our body, and that is nothing else than the breath, or the best way to tell you is pranayama. Pranayama means prana plus yama. Prana means the energy or the vital force, and yama means regulation or the control. So, we are getting the energy from the nature in the form of the breath, we are passing it to our body. But are we sure that we are getting that energy in the supply that we want it? Just like electricity, we should be getting the supply in the form of 220 volt or 110 volt. And the second thing is regulation. Just in case our breath, that is we are getting it as a supply to our body, is very low voltage, then we should have the regulation to adjust it and to make it ideal. I will just try to take a simple test of yours, which you can do it upon my request, and that is just 1 minute test of yours. All you need to do is just switch on your stopwatch and try to breathe in and breathe out the way that you are doing it right now, without fluctuating your breath or without doing cheating to yourself. Whatever way you are breathing right now, in a similar way, just switch on your stopwatch and make sure that your one inhalation and one exhalation is one count. Do it for 1 minute and try to see how many counts that you do per minute. Please don't try to cheat, don't try to inhale deeply and exhale deeply just because you are now becoming conscious of your breath. Right now you are breathing, you know it, right? And just do it in the same way, but this time try to measure and try to see what is your count, and that will determine that whether the energy that you are getting in the form of breath is of low voltage or you are getting it proper whatever it is supposed to be. Let me tell you, if you can pause my video right now and do it, and then keep the count with yourself and do it along with your family members also. Please try to test there out. Since you are doing so many tests, COVID tests and all that, why not do one simple breath test? Try to test your mummy, papa, parents, children, whatever. Just do a simple breath test and see how many counts you can do it in 1 minute. Let me tell you, 90 to 95% of the people will fall between 16 to 22 breath per minute, which is actually not a matter of achievement or an Oscar award. It is actually you can say that we are doing very shallow breathing, and that's how our count is 16 to 22 breath. But if your count per minute is more than 22, my salutations to you is that you please try to take your breath more seriously. Be aware that because your voltage supply to your body is extremely low. Just as low voltage can malfunction your electrical equipments, laptop, refrigerators, in a similar way your equipment's heart, your liver, your stomach, everything, your lungs, they can malfunction with this low breath that you are inhaling it. The ideal breath that you should be doing it per minute is either 8 breath per minute or 10 or even 12. But if your supply is between 16 to 22, then you are suffering from a very low voltage to your own body. Imagine that as if you have 5 trillion cell or more than that to feed every second through your breath, but you are only able to feed millions of cells only or billions of cells only, and the rest they do not get the supply. Either they will die, turn into cancer, or they will become so angry upon you that they will turn into angry cells, and they will try to create something which we call it as immunotherapy, where your own body cells become problem to you. I do not know the medical term exactly, but there is something, a term where your own immune cells or your own cells become your own enemy. So ideally you should be breathing. For example, you should be breathing uh, in 8 seconds. You should be breathing one inhalation and one exhalation. That will be around, in 1 minute it would be how much? Around 8 breath per minute. That is your ideal thing that you should be doing. If you cannot achieve that, for example, let's suppose that your count is 16 breath per minute. Please try to improve 20%. From the 16 breath per minute, try to improve 20% and try to make it go up to 12 breath or 13 breath per minute. Let